Blondie, do you mind? I'm trying to vlog. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today, I just thought it would be fun to do a little bonus video this week because I'm heading out tonight somewhere fun that I know I think you guys will like. So we're heading to Dublin Design Festival, is that what it's called? Or is it Dublin? It's called Dublin Design Night, and I'm going to do a make your own garden. Oh, I cannot pronounce this word. I was saying terrarium. Terrarium? I don't know. It's basically, I'm hoping, what I think it is, it's a little garden class and we're going to make little indoor greenhouses. I did Google it, so that's what I think I'm making tonight. But basically, there's loads of fun things happening in town, craft related. So I thought it would be fun to kind of just vlog and just have a catch up. I know I had a video last week where Blondie, I'm sorry. Blondie, get your bum out of the way. Yes. Get your bum out of the way, Blondie. Don't answer me back. I know last week I was away in Budapest, but I kind of felt like that was just like a travel vlog. I didn't get to properly check in. So I just thought it'd be fun to do just a nice casual vlog and yeah, share what I get up to this evening. Now Blondie's knocking the camera. Joe, Blondie, I don't need your camera assistance. Blondie, stop. I have just finished work. Thank God for the bright evenings now. So I was in work all day, 6 a.m. start. So I've just freshened up my face. I probably actually have my dinner on my face as well. Freshened up my face, fresh hair. Now Blondie's in the background. She's just destined to be the fucking YouTube star, not me. Sorry, my F-bomb. So let's head into town. I have a map actually. This is a great idea. So the guys who are setting it up, so it is In Space Interior Design. That girl's name is Emily. I'll pop their Instagram here. The whole thing is not-for-profit, non-profit. All of the classes and stuff is free to go to for this evening. And a lot of the like independent shops, they're doing this like of their own back. And Image Interiors and Living magazine sponsors it. Jameson Whiskey sponsors it. I'm kind of raging. There is an after party afterwards sponsored by Jameson. But I've worked tomorrow, so I can't do that. So there is 20 stops by the looks of this map. What I'll do is, I don't know if you can see the little map. But basically, I'm going to go to the garden, and that is in Powers Court Centre. Yeah, make a terrarium to take home with Mark Graham's team. Workshops are running all evening, but numbers are limited. So that is the one I'm going to. But there is a lady in Find in Cowes Lane that I want to go see. Her stuff is stocked there. She makes, I really want to buy one. Payday's not till Friday, but I have budgeted for one of these. She makes these teeny tiny china teacup like jewellery. I don't know how she makes them. I'm going to pick her brain. But so there'll be like a necklace, and there could be a teeny tiny teapot, teacup, spoon, earrings that are teacups. Gorgeous. So I think I'm either going to get maybe a bracelet or a necklace. I don't really wear much jewellery otherwise, but absolutely adorable. So I want to pop in and see her in person. She's someone I followed on Instagram, but I love her stuff. So okay, enough rambling. I am going to get my jacket and we are going to head into Dublin City, where the weather is typical April showers. It is sunny now. It was hailstones earlier, and God knows what it'll be like when we get there, but hopefully it stays sunny because Dublin is always pretty in the sunshine.
space without having to go crazy or commit to you know, large patterns on your walls or space. So we've kind of got a taller piece here, a quirky little teapot. There's loads of very cool stuff like this around the shop. You see these.
So basically, we have different types of gravel, and we have a compost that we're going to use, which is how you wanted to layer it up. But it's just a creative feature, so when you're looking through the glass, and then I'm going to do a little bit of soil, and then another little layer of gravel. Okay, and then rub your finger gently through the roots, just to loosen them up so that they'll root into the new compost a little bit quicker. Okay. And then with the help of the spoon, you can place it into the terrarium or the jar, and then use the spoon then.
Pepsi's giving me grief now. Pepsi. I just want to stress Pepsi's not actually my cat. She just lodges here. I'm just home. I have my little succulent in here. What I'll do is, I'm going to pop the kettle and make myself a cup of tea, try and get some better lighting, show you my succulent, and I bought one of the teacup and teapot necklaces. I also bought a little house in a tourist shop of all places. So let me pop the kettle, then I can have the chats and tell you what I learned about succulent. Good morning. It feels weird to be ending my video in the morning and starting my video in the afternoon. But I hope you liked my little ramble around Dublin Design Night, and I'm going to show you what I got. So first of all, I'll show you my plant. Terrarium it's called. I was calling it a terrarium, which I think is something, but it's not what I was making. So here is my little plant. I hope I keep it alive. So it was really simple to make, and the guy gave me loads of knowledge because I do want to plant more of these, because these guys are good. I've no real plants in the house. If you've watched my room tours and stuff, I use a lot of fake flowers because I kill them. Even behind me, all fake flowers. So I was like, I want to bring some plants. I'm good at plants outdoors though. I want to bring some plants indoors, and these little guys seem to be quite hardy. So he said water them every 2 weeks just with a little bit of water, and the soil, they're quite tolerant to like a sandy, droughty soil, but that doesn't mean you can forget to water them. So I like this little guy. So we layered up so stones, soil, gravel, stone, soil, gravel, bit of gravel on top. So I'm really happy with this guy. So that could be a fun DIY. Definitely have a few things I want to turn into planters. Then I bought one of these off Ali. So basically, Ali, I'm going to put her Instagram here. She was one of the first kind of crafty ladies I followed on Instagram years ago. And she's always at Dublin Flea Market. But I always forget to go into it on a Sunday. But basically, she sells these tiny little teacup, teapot jewellery things. She has a Singer sewing machine one, but she gave me an insider tip to hang on, buy one of them later because she has a pink sewing machine on the way. So I was like, okay, I'll wait. So I'll pop her Instagram here and her website as well. She's always at the Dublin Flea Market, but I'm going to say you might be able to shop online, but just don't quote me in case, but she's always at the Dublin Flea. So how cute are they? I'll pop in a little closer look at them. I randomly picked up a tiny little house. Behind me on that little cabinet over there, I have my little tiny houses that I collect from wherever I travel. But you'll notice in this vlog, I lashed in a few Temple Bar shots just for my like American ladies, because I know you guys love seeing like Dublin and Ireland and stuff, and as much as I do like travel vlogs, I never actually explore my own city, which is an absolute shame. So after I went to Cowes Lane to the shop, it's called Find. After I went there, I walked the complete long way back to Powers Court, and I walked just down by the quays, up through Temple Bar, took a few little vlog shots just to kind of show you. So that was a Wednesday evening in Temple Bar, very tame. If you were to go there on a Saturday, it would not be as tame. So I hope you liked my little ramble. I hope it wasn't too long, but I kind of just wanted to show you Dublin the way I see it, because I know you guys kind of want to see. But anyway, I strolled into one of the like gifty shops, because I was like, I always go into the gifty shops when I'm traveling, but I'm like, what do you guys see when you go into our gifty shops? So I was looking at all of the kind of trinkets and souvenirs, and then I found this little cottage. You know, this side it says, God bless our house. It was only €3. So I was like, do you know what? I need a little cottage to add to my other house collection. I got a little cottage when I was in Budapest. So here's one for the stand. I'm trying to think if I have any more things I want to kind of catch up and have the chats with you. I'm just kind of busy working on like DIY videos, and I work as well. A lot of people kind of forget I work full time. So I generally film on my day off, which you guys know. So I've been kind of kept busy trying to keep ahead of ideas. May is going to be fun because the end of May, I managed to get a pass for the Chelsea Flower Show, which I'm really excited about. So I'm kind of just planning ahead for things, and I don't think I have any other news other than I'm busy, but it's good busy. It's all good busy. So yeah, so that is all my random chats. I'm going to upload this on Sunday, so if you're watching this on it's Sunday, hope you have a nice cozy Sunday. Hope you like this random extra video. I'd love to be able to do 2 videos a week, which was not possible at this time. But the goal would be to kind of upload twice a week. But in the meantime, you can find me on Instagram. I've been using Insta Stories a lot more than Snapchat, just to kind of see, it's just easier to kind of have 2 things in one place. So I'll pop my Instagram handle here, and I will see you in Thursday's video. Bye everyone.